It is not our intention to use force to stop religious gatherings, but community leaders should take note that this is an exigency, this is an extreme situation, this is an emergency, and we have to adhere for the common good of all. This is a moral responsibility. Lots of advisories have come on the press, media, social media. Please adhere to it. As far as cleanliness and road sweeping is concerned, we will also stagger and schedule it so that entire workforce is not exposed at one time. So this precaution we are taking, but feel free to call us. We have a toll-free number, and the toll-free number will be operational. If at all there is some people who want emergency sanitation services, please call our toll-free number and we will be there. As we have mentioned earlier, kindly feel free to call our toll-free number for emergency sanitation services. If you feel that we have not reached to your home, you can call 1-800-233-3948. 1-800-233-3948. This is our toll-free sanitation number. If there is any emergency situation, this is a 24/7 number. Kindly call and we will be there.